Okay, so now you would think that having a list of between 5 million and 6 million active users would be enough, right? However, I want to share another creative and powerful research technique that I've used countless times. You can actually use Google or any search engine to do even more research. You do this by taking your basic niche word. Let me show you really quick. Um, your basic niche word and adding a word or two that will bring up groups of people or subjects that people passionate about the niche are likely searching for. Okay, so I typically start with words like federation and association. Okay, this will lead you to people that have joined groups related to the niche. Of course, forums is always a good one. This is also a pretty endless way to conduct research. So for instance, if your niche has to do with animals, you want to search on the phrase animal rescue groups. Okay, doesn't stop there, of course. Other searches you might want to try include best-selling authors, best-selling books on Amazon, TV shows, popular celebrities. They are not mainstream celebrities, but instead like kind of B and C list celebrities that are into this niche, such as competitive chef that only certain cooking people would like. So just use search phrases that lead to lists of people interested in your niche. For example, I'm going to type cooking associations. All right. So as you can see, there's a ton of results. Like for example, here is a great search result that I found might be a great interest. The International Association of Culinary Professionals. Okay, the IACP. Then once what you do is going back into the Facebook interest tab. Okay, so this one right here, you just go back here and see if that particular interest is kind of available. Okay, like for example, interest international Association of Culinary, must be this one. Let me see. Boom, here we go, and I found it. You see this one right here, International Association of Culinary Professionals. And then you can just go on and look for other one. Okay, like for example, American Culinary Federation. Let me see if it's right here, American Culinary Federation. Boom. Just found it in the interest tab. So you see there's a ton of interest that that you can find, and this is actually one of my secret research technique. So there's plenty like that you can find. So you do this for everyone you find on Google. Okay, society, private clubs, and newsletters are among the terms that you want to use. So you can see how powerful this is, guys. I mean, you could just search for cooking associations, then you change the keyword to chef associations. Okay, like for example, cooking associations, change the keyword, and boom. Okay, there are plenty that you can put in your interest tab. Okay, so type different and related keywords and do combinations of keywords. You will find more and more interest and fan pages on Facebook. Okay, so to recap, you do your research through audience insights. You look at the suggested categories, suggested likes, check of course the page likes. You go through Google search, you look for associations, federations, private groups, clubs, newsletters, best-selling books, Amazon books, authors, TV shows, popular groups, and different things like that. Now that you have a giant list, okay, this is a super big list right here. What you want to do, the next step is recording it in a spreadsheet. Okay, So you will put all of these tabs like in a spreadsheet. Okay, so you will have it right there. So now what you want to do is, what I basically do is, what I have once I have this list is creating ads for my big list. It's time to create like a page post engagement ad using this list. So use the same PPE process that came in the previous video. So once you create the ad, all you need to do is copy and paste each of those interests into the interest tab inside the ad creation process, one by one. You type those one by one. So you want to do this because you're going to get more suggestions, sometimes things that you will that you still didn't think about. So make sure to select your demographic. In my case, it's women. Okay, I'm targeting women. So once you have them all loaded into the ad, you'll see a lot of different suggestions, other suggestions. So you'll see, you can just imagine how powerful it is. You just go down the list as you insert each interest. If you put all of those interests into your ad, you might have an audience of, let's say, 7 millions or even 10 millions. Okay, I suggest that you don't go that route. Okay, the women that are most likely to make a purchase are those that are truly cooking lovers. Okay, those that of course love to cook. So you want to be more focused and targeted than on the huge list of people that have a general interest in cooking. Okay, you want to target those that are passionate. Passionate people tend to be in smaller groups that don't attract the more general audiences. What I generally do while creating the ad is leave the largest interest out of the ad audience. Just eliminate the ones that are too large of an audience. Certainly, those that have a reach of over 1 million, okay, you just leave them out. So what I do is keeping this on my master list, because if my product is widely successful, I might decide to expand my marketing to these large audiences, okay, but only once that happens. So just keep all the smaller interests which are more targeted. Some are really small audiences, but very, very targeted, okay? When you stay with the smaller audiences, you can look at the pages they like and better understand their interests. That enables you to create highly targeted ads that compel viewers to follow your link. Like I said, some of these really are very small audiences, okay? This how you go about finding those golden interests so that your ads are going to really take off and do very well for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back with you in the next video.